Hello everyone. Uh, Now a new discussion about nanotechnology, a new antropometry for nanometrology. Now we will discuss a new anthropometry for nanometrology. This is now our INSUI, a new anthropometry for nanotechnology. What is the importance of metrology in nanotechnology? If there is a way to quickly define nanotechnology is through metrology. It is the measurement of science, and in nanotechnology is popularly known as engineering produced in the scope between 1 to 100 nanometers. The setting for metrology is as the measurement of science. The setting for metrology is as the measurement of science. This is important. And in metrology or measurement, science can contribute to nanotechnology. Imagine a database as a dictionary containing all the measurements of the human body, all its specifications and details. Imagine the doctor enter the age, origin and age of a patient and get to measure your kidney, spleen, liver, structure, and average measure of the DNA, RNA, cells, the cells, etc. etc. A simple example is in the middle of biology measure. For example, a new inventory measure the human body is needed. A standardization of measurement of the human body, in general from the DNA to the hair, characterize and measure. This is the beginning of knowledge, with a ranking of the measurement of the human body, age, ethnicity, origin, will be possible to obtain important data to fill a database with this information. For example, what health cells measures a man or 20 years or old woman in Australia and the same measure in the same people in Mexico or same peoples from other country like the same age, same ethnicity or in different ethnicity. The measures of your body details like cells, blood, etc. Or what is the measure of a red blood cells in an Indian of 25 years in India versus the same in a Japanese with the same age. Also, what is the difference between these same measures in relation to your age and weight? Fill this scientific data form a rich and important database for machines based on nanotechnology and biotechnology that are formed as measures a human skin protein for a drug particle or cream does not accept this wall and damage the other shoes or body functions. Something that also refers the issue of free radicals, as well as knowing when measuring a red blood cell, I have an average measure of a body which measures the thickness of the dermis and the epidermis and When these measures change with advancing age or keeps on dimensional, many scientists in history measured the human body. But with nanotechnology, we are entering in another era measures of the body. Gives this fact, the measurement of the human body nanotechnological level becomes too important, including giving space to new professions for physicians. That's right. Why the doctor cannot be a biological designer of the human body, a specialist in metrology of the human body, not like before measure the external body, but now in another level with nanotechnology measure scale as attached some links in the video quality of work. As an example, the physicians might develop a film, video, or animation describing the technical functions of a body part. Science is above all measurements, and therefore it is necessary a standardized measure of organs and body parts. Nanotechnology is possible, and I repeat, science is above all measurements, and therefore it is necessary a standardized measure of organs and body parts. The machine industry, the industry in general of projects, mechanics of elements, machines, and metrology includes necessity of measures, and human body in this new industry of nanotechnology needs measures, precise measures, standardized measures. Nanotechnology is possible only through physics, chemistry, and biology, with which without the measure of the things in mathematics is hard work. This new antropometry of the human body to nanotechnology is paramount, and this is not the work of one person, but it must be done together between various global networks for final measurement. Anthropometry is beginning a new era. The anthropometry of human body begins on animals too, inclusive. It is a modern new era of human anatomy, much more precise and clear. Yes, we are in a new era of human anatomy, of human body, with measures so much precise and standardized, with human action from amino acids and smaller particles in a scientific database. With this data, the futuristic nanotechnology machines have accurate information, very accurate information of measure of the bodies around the world, people and animals, and all life of the world. Imagine that the doctor enters the patient's age, average, origin, age, and get all the internal measurements of your body in a software, for example, like a dictionary. For example, the bone as measured versus has determined the approximate measure of a head is X or and so forth. Man is the measure of all things. Yes, like say Protagoras. Man is the measure of all things. Protagoras. And with nanotechnology, We are in a new era of measuring of the body. The new era of anthropometry is coming.